Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start with organized mise en place. Combine 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoons salt, and 1/2 teaspoon baking powder in a mixing bowl and whisk to aerate. Make a shallow well and add about 1/3 cup water to form a soft dough. Knead for 5 minutes until smooth, then rest covered for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, beat 2 large eggs with 1/4 cup milk, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 2 tablespoons chopped cilantro, and 1/4 teaspoon green chili if desired. Measure 1 tablespoon ghee or oil plus 2 tablespoons reserved for frying layers. Divide the rested dough into 4 equal balls and flatten to a 6-inch round on a lightly floured board. Heat an 8-inch nonstick skillet over medium heat while you prepare the eggs. Pour 1/4 of the beaten egg mixture into the skillet, swirl to cover, and cook until just set but still moist on top, about 30 to 40 seconds. Transfer the omelet directly onto the rolled dough, fold the dough edges over the omelet to encase it, press seams to seal. Then gently roll the stuffed parcel to about 8 inches and brush both sides with approximately 1 teaspoon ghee. Heat the same 8-inch skillet to medium and add about 1 teaspoon ghee. Place the rolled omelet paratha in the pan and cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden brown and crisp, pressing gently with a spatula to encourage even browning. Flip when small bubbles appear and the bottom is light brown, then add another 1 teaspoon ghee and cook the second side. Remove to a plate and finish remaining parathas the same way. Serve hot with plain yogurt, green chutney, or pickles and enjoy immediately. Recipe yields 4 parathas, serving 2 to 4 people.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.